Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy 13 back here with another reaction video. We finna watch DeMarcus Cousins banned from Harvard by the no other JiDion. Let's get straight into this. Talk to me, JiDion.
I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there. After they say they want smoke with me, you don't want to take it there.
Professor, you guys.
Oh nah.
Say they want smoke with me, you don't want to take it there.
Professor,
What
you guys
with this
kind of make like a
nigga?
radius around me. My like IQ's too high. I don't want it to get lowered. Yo, what's going on over there? Is that the Boston Tea Party?
It's a sexual prevention for future instances of hate speech and discrimination here at Harvard.
Bro, dog. Can I like talk for like the black community on campus? Hey guys, my name is Marquez Brownlee. What's up, guys? I'm not gonna lie, today's my first day of class, but I feel like it's a reason why I'm here right now. I heard you guys talking about the racial injustice here, and I didn't save up all my bread to come to a school that does not show equality to everybody. I'll let you guys know where I'm from. I'm from the slums of Houston. You guys know NBA Youngboy? I used to ride with him. Statistically, I'm not supposed to be here. She was talking about the racial stereotypes that people would call her. They would do the same thing to me. I might have a wave cap on, but I'm bald under here. People will call me people like Freddie Gibbs or Tracy Morgan or the guy from Fast and Furious. What's the black guy from Fast and Furious? No, the other black guy. Fast and Furious. What's the black guy from Fast and Furious?
No way I just heard that. Bro. Shorty said Van Diesel.
Morgan or the guy from Fast and Furious. What's the black guy from Fast and Furious?
I thought she said Van. Nigga, first of all, my son is not. Bro, what? Forgot the nigga name. The nigga with the. I forgot the nigga name. But I know exactly what you talking about. It's definitely not Vin Diesel. Nigga, he's not even black. Nigga fucking Spanish. Nigga fucking
Morgan or the guy from Fast and Furious. What's the black guy from Fast and Furious? No, the other black guy. Any bald black guy, I was called him. And that's not my name. My name is Marquez Brownlee. We're the generation that's gonna push our future forward to where our kids won't even know what color is. All they're gonna see is a human being for the integrity and character that they have inside of them. So if you can with me, chant. It's bigger than black and white. 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 Thank you, guys. Wish me luck on my first day of school. All right, boys, if it wasn't obvious from that intellectual speech I dropped earlier, we're at Harvard right now. You guys say you've been wanting old JiDion back and stuff like that. Oh, JiDion doesn't prank anymore. JiDion really doesn't do anything. The reason I don't do anything is because every time I do try to go out and record a prank, you guys come up to me, yo, are you recording a prank right now? And y'all mess it up. So I have to go somewhere where I know none of y'all fuckers are at. None of y'all at, fucking. Actually, you are.
Oh, why you talking like that? He's trying to say, oh, ah! He's trying to say, oh, y'all niggas is dumb. Y'all niggas ain't in Harvard.
To go somewhere where I know none of y'all fuckers are at. None of y'all at. Fucking. Actually, you are.
That's fucked up.
I appreciate
fucked
that.
up,
This
Jay.
brother's here. So basically, we're gonna do a typewriter prank. Shout out to Nelk for the idea, man. They did it before. We're just gonna do it in Harvard, one of the smartest schools in the country. You know, shout out Kyle. But yeah, we're about to go inside this antique shop and try to get one real quick. Hello.
Hey there, how are you today?
I need me a typewriter.
Okay, sure.
Can I have like pillow talk on it?
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
Like if I want to like talk to like my shawties, like can I like text all night?
Absolutely, of course you can.
Oh,
Yeah,
let's
hello.
You could not send texts to him on a typewriter, bro. That's cat, bro. There is no way. I never heard that in my life. In my life.
Shawties, like can I like text all night?
Absolutely.
She's just trying to sell it, bro. See, that's some. They be lying. These are the niggas that be just trying to give it out away, bro. Like.
If it's not loud, we can't
Bro.
get it. Oh, that's it. Professor, can you please reiterate that?
Oh, you're actually bringing it to class,
No, yeah, the teacher said we have to bring our laptops today.
and you're bringing a typewriter.
Well, yeah, it's a laptop. It's like the new Alienware. Can I get the Harvard discount?
What's wrong with this nigga? Niggas be weird,
It's like the new
bro.
Alienware. Can I
Left
get
my son hanging.
the
my
Harvard
nigga?
discount on this?
Of course you can.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, like, I look serious as hell. Like, you guys over here think I'm making like pranks and stuff like that, bro. I'm a scholar. Do you have any typewriter oil? Do you have any?
Niggas are laughing. Who the fuck has typewriter oil? I didn't even know you needed that shit for the typewriter.
My keys are kind of getting sticky. Is your mouth moist? You think you could like spit in this real quick? Like, keys are kind of getting sticky. Is your mouth moist?
Oh nah, he's wildin'.
Do you have any oil? My keys are kind of getting sticky. Is your mouth moist? You think you could like spit in this real quick? Like to kind of like lube it up? Like a little lube.
Sure?
Yeah.
Right.
Bro, that's a bitch loogie. A real one.
I can't spit that much more.
Okay.
What the fuck? Oh, JiDion.
Okay.
So niggas is Harvard is just spitting in typewriters now. Look what the word I came to. Look what the fucking word I came to.
Siri, how do you spell necrophilia?
Necrophilia.
The fuck is that?
Necrophilia.
Hey, you're still in a book. Hey. Can you walk through it one more time? Hold this for a minute. Can you spread your arms?
The fuck?
Do I have a consent to touch your bum?
Absolutely not.
Consent comes first. What's this right here?
My wallet.
How much money is in there?
It's like a decent amount, honestly. Like, I've been working really hard.
All right, just give me like half of that and then you can go.
Honestly?
Yeah.
What is this?
I think he's stealing.
Do you have any books on you?
No.
I don't trust him, bro.
You want to search me?
I mean,
I just gave him a good pat down, but like he wanted to let me touch his bum though, so I feel like there might be something back there.
Oh shit. Yo, what the fuck?
I just gave him a good pat down, but like he wanted to let me touch his bum though, so I feel like there might be something back there.
That's ayo, nigga. That's mad ayo, nigga. But I know it's a prank, so it's funny, but that's mad ayo.
I just gave him a good pat down, but like he wanted to let me touch his bum though, so I feel like there might be something back there.
we got it covered.
All right.
Dude, who the fuck are you, bro?
I'm Draco Malfoy.
Niggas like, dude, who the fuck are you, dude? Ha.
All right.
Dude, who the fuck are you, bro?
Dude, who the fuck are you, bro?
There might be something back there.
We got it covered.
All right.
Dude, who the fuck are you, bro?
I'm Draco Malfoy.
Dude, who the fuck are you, bro?
So what are we? Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff? Slytherin, okay. My name is not Marquez Brownlee no more. It's Draco Malfoy. I don't do paper. I only do airdrop.
Well, the Ukrainians have a right to fight back.
I don't do paper though.
I don't care if you do paper or not. I'm looking for revolutionaries.
I-
I'm looking for people who want to take this whole system down.
Bro, I'm a
okay?
veteran. Like, do you need me?
What kind of veteran are you?
Bro, I served in Nuketown.
Well, I think it's better to serve and fight in the powers, fucking over the system.
Bro, give me a Glock and a Hellcat.
Take a look at this.
Bro, but I don't do paper though. I just told
Come
you
on,
that.
dude, then get away. We don't need
Revcom.us.
people who aren't serious. If you're not serious,
I'm serious, but I don't do paper, bro. You're literally killing the environment.
We're moving on. You go ahead, have your lunch.
No, bro, I'm going to class.
Go to
I'm a
class,
scholar.
then. Go to class.
Wow, this hoe is Hogwarts. I'm sorry, Professor. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Oh, okay. Where do you want me to go?
Out.
I just got to class.
I don't want you in this classroom.
I'm late.
I don't want you in this classroom. You're not in this class.
How are you going to tell me I'm not in this class?
Because I happen to run this class. So leave or I'll call the police.
Professor, I just want to take my notes.
Leave.
Are you denying me education?
Leave.
I'm going to just take some notes.
No. Leave.
I got to catch up.
Leave.
Professor, I have to catch up. Can I please have my typewriter back? Professor.
No. Leave.
I got to catch up.
Leave.
Professor, I have to catch up.
Yo, you saw this nigga right here? Look at this nigga.
Can I please have my typewriter back?
Nah, he really
Professor.
snatched that shit though.
My bad, Professor. Does anybody else have an extra typewriter on them? The other professor just stole my typewriter. That was so disrespectful. Did you see that?
I did.
Professor, that was so disrespectful.
And put your bloody mask on.
Yes, sir.
You're not allowed in here. You're trespassing.
I know Black History Month's over, but like, can I?
Fine. Now, get out of here.
No. You don't gotta get up.
Out you go.
Sorry, Professor. Have a nice day, Professor. Love you. I got kicked out like in like 2.2 seconds.
Yo, wait, he didn't give you back your typewriter? Oh, hell
Love you.
no.
I got kicked out like in like 2.2 seconds.
Funny. Have you tried going on the balcony?
It's too late. He kicked me out.
Like the British?
Yeah. Is he a professor or like what is he?
He is one of the lecturers, but he's not lecturing today.
Bro, wait, Vito. We didn't come all the way here to. Bro, look at the second floor. Professor, can you repeat that last thing real quick? I'm just taking.
Wait, so how the fuck he got back in?
Lecturing today.
Bro, wait, Vito. We didn't come all the way here to. Bro, look at the second floor.
Oh, then the second floor to the classroom. Got you.
Professor, can you repeat that last thing real quick?
Nigga put daddy at the... Yo, this nigga's stupid.
I'm just taking notes.
Oh shit.
It's hilarious.
Professor.
Nigga really went
Just
up
taking
there,
notes.
bro. Oh my god, yo, this nigga.
Professor. You're breaking my typewriter.
I don't care.
Professor, stop. Professor, that's my satchel. Bro, I'll get it back in blood if I have to. I'm poo shiesty. Bro, is this what happens at Harvard?
What's wrong with this nigga, bro? Like, why you taking the class so serious? You act like if you answer him, you gonna get in trouble, you weird ass nigga.
Is this what happens at Harvard?
This nigga is weird.
Hey, Professor, can you be quiet? I'm trying to take notes.
God, that's so funny.
Professor!
Funny.
Nigga said, God, that's so funny. Like, nigga,
Hey, Professor, can you be quiet? I'm trying to
out of here,
take
nigga.
notes.
What about that, nigga?
That's so funny.
You wildin', nigga.
Professor! Brody left everything here except for the typewriter. Have you guys seen an angry British man with a typewriter? He did. That was $150. Yo, give me a Harry Potter name to call him. Professor Snape, or Snape? Snape. Professor Snape, can I have my typewriter back? Why'd you throw it away?
I didn't throw it away. I put it on the trash.
But can I ask you what I did that was so bad?
I'm not interested in a debate with you. You came with a deliberate...
Well, I thought this was a scholastic school.
Look at this nigga. Look at what the fuck is wrong with this nigga? Fuck is wrong with this nigga? This nigga, yo, what's wrong with this nigga, bro? Nigga started bumming rushing the camera.
I'm not interested in a debate with you. You came with a deliberate...
Well, I thought this was a scholastic school.
to disrupt class. It's incredibly funny.
This nigga's a demon.
This was a scholastic school.
What's wrong with this nigga? Nigga came bum rushing the camera. Like, what's wrong with
Well, I
you,
thought this
nigga?
was a scholastic school.
Disrupt class. It's incredibly funny. Really clever games are just disrupting class.
Bro, I know you got proper English and everything, but like you don't gotta be mean to me.
The police are coming. You can't disturb a class. This is like sacred.
I literally didn't even say anything.
Really?
Yo, don't touch,
Professor
don't
Skip,
touch,
can you please
don't
not
touch.
touch my camera?
Don't touch.
That's the PS5?
He's gaming right now.
Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, thank you. Thanks.
See you later, Professor. Why is he giving Bozo? Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yo, that's funny as fuck.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Yo, these niggas
Yeah.
is weird, bro.
Can you hold this for me? How much time do I have before 12 gets here? Okay.
You don't have an ID?
If I show you my ID, can I go back into class?
I'm going to assume you don't have an ID, so in that regard...
You shouldn't assume things. That's like assuming gender. Like, that's not good. All right. If 12 come by here and like ask, I'm a white guy with like a 6'6" black filmer.
Okay.
Well, like, throw them off my trail. Wait, behind us?
Yeah.
How you doing, officer? I was trying to take notes.
Okay.
And professor got mad, and he broke my typewriter.
Okay.
And he asked us to leave, so we left.
Are you a Harvard student?
No, I'm trying to, though.
Okay.
I'm trying to grind my like attributes up, because my mom always told me education is the only way out.
Sure. Problem is that you need to be a Harvard student in order to take a class.
But I thought education was free. I thought that was like in the amendments.
It's not here, no.
I read it in the 10 Commandments. It said that education is for all.
That's not the case here.
Okay.
You shouldn't go into any Harvard buildings if you're not affiliated.
Like my shit IQ is like off the charts, but like academically, like I feel like I can get better. Cause I'm pretty sure like as long as you've been here, like you probably got like 10 times smarter, huh?
I think maybe just by osmosis, yeah, who knows. So apparently the professor's pretty upset.
He was very mad.
Okay.
On my side, there's no beef. Like I'm not gonna slide from my typewriter.
Okay.
I won't.
All right. Definitely don't go in any Harvard buildings.
Okay.
Okay.
I
You
didn't
guys
say
be
being
safe.
cool.
Bye-bye.
Sorry for the
I didn't say
disruption.
being
Yeah, no
cool.
problem.
Hey, if he says I can come back, like just let me know.
I will.
Just hit me up on WhatsApp.
Keep it positive through all the pranks.
I try.
Always respectful.
I mean, this isn't very positive. We got a broken typewriter. Hey, you guys get a great education. I'm gonna get out of here before I really get in trouble.
Wait, you telling me these niggas is in Harvard? That's what you're telling me right now. All these niggas.
The pranks.
I try.
Yes, nigga.
Always respectful.
Yeah. This nigga know a lot about computers.
I mean, this isn't very positive. We got a broken typewriter. Hey, you guys get a great education. I'm gonna get out of here before I really get in trouble. You guys
These niggas look like they in high school, my nigga.
be safe. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that went as horrible as it could have, and also as best as it could have. Yo.
I just ran out of school.
Appreciate you. Yo.
I fucking love you.
Well, what's good, G?
I fucking love you.
Yo, man, appreciate you, dogs, man.
Your videos, bro. My cheer me the fuck up.
Thank you, bro. Hey, I appreciate you trying to defend me. I'm not gonna lie, we're like super lucky not to like be in any trouble.
They seem pretty chill. I already knew you were saying some fuck shit.
Bro, I literally didn't do nothing. I mean, I guess I was being annoying, but like, I'm always annoying.
I'm actually glad I got to meet the guy from TikTok.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Sorry, guys. We didn't get a thumbie, so we got a face rugged. I was wondering if you could help me make a thumbnail for my YouTube channel. Appreciate you. I'm gonna ask Brody. Would you be down to help me like make a thumbnail for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure, I'm down.
All right, bet. Could you just like come over here just real quick? Look at me like y'all are pissed and like annoyed. You guys are, like super nice people. So you guys... Oh, that was perfect. You literally just like killed it. How's that look, Rita?
I don't even smoke weed, but I feel high when I'm next to you, babe. Used to be my girl, used to be my boo thing. Now I'm telling everybody you my boo thing. You my boo thing.
Give him bozo.
What's wrong with this? Oh,
I'm in the zoo with the light. To be my boo thing. Now I'm telling everybody you my boo thing. You my boo thing.
Give him bozo.
With that being said, that's it for the video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And like I always say, 13th way or no way. You dig? Or